Hey everybody, it's Chuck Jackson again at Florida Realty Investments, and it's time for the Orlando Area Market Roundup for June 2022. Again, this report covers the month of May, where we saw a new surge of housing inventory, hopefully a sign that the Orlando housing market might be leveling off. Buyers are finding more houses to choose from, while sellers are still getting top dollar for their homes. However, rising interest rates are starting to change the housing landscape quicker than anyone anticipated. While homes are still demanding top dollar, the number of homes reducing their initial asking price is on the increase, partly due to some houses' initial asking price is set at sky-high levels, but also, I believe, due to increasing interest rates. I'll go a little more into interest rates and where they are headed further in this report. So, here come the May numbers. May's median home price was recorded at $379,950, an increase of 2.7% compared to $370,000 in April. This sets another record high for the fourth month in a row. Overall, sales in May increased by 3.8%, with a total of 3,946 sales compared to 3,800 sales in April. This is a 1.9% increase compared to May of 2021, where overall sales were recorded at 3,872. Inventory increased by 44.2% from April to May, with over 1,200 additional homes hitting the market last month. This is the highest monthly increase in Orlando inventory history to date. 24 distressed homes, bank-owned properties, and short sales accounted for 0.6% of all home sales in May this year. That represents a 7.7% decrease over April, when there was only 26 distressed homes sold. New listings increased by 10.7% from April 22 to May of 2022, with a total of 4,822 new homes on the market in May. And finally, the top story, interest rates. Orlando saw interest rates increase from 4.9% in April to 5.3% in May. This is the highest interest rates in the Orlando area since 2009. This is also the first time Orlando's interest rate have gone over 5% since April of 2010, when they were recorded at 5.1%. Then last week happened. The national mortgage interest rate jumped over a half a point in just 1 week to a whopping 5.78%. This is the highest weekly jump in 35 years. And on top of that, last week's rate jump was before the feds raised the federal funds rate by 3/4 of a point. We have yet to see where this rate hike will take mortgage rates. Needless to say, this faster than lightning interest rate climb caught everybody by surprise and is beginning to price many home shoppers out of the market. Fortunately, the Orlando housing market is extremely strong and should stay stable for the near future, with values still climbing, although much slower than last year, and inventory increasing. Well, that about wraps up this month's market roundup. I have provided a link to the Orlando Regional Realtors Association full market report, which includes tons of statistics not covered in this video. Look for it in this video's description area. I've also included a link of my most recent mid-year market roundup update, which I recorded a week ago. This is a national level report and talks about where the real estate industry is heading for the rest of this year. So be sure to check it out too. Feel free to give me a call if you have any real estate questions or needs. I'd be happy to help you any way I can. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I publish videos covering a wide variety of real estate topics throughout the month, and you don't want to miss out. Until next time, be safe and have a great week.